I'll say this now. If you're sitting here at home watching this, you're on the internet and you're saying, I want to make money on the internet. Know that me, a man with hundreds of millions of dollars, and my network of 4,000 people all around the world, from Singapore to America, etc., with a combined assets of billions, are talking for 12 hours a day about how to generate money on the very cusp of culture, on the very cusp of updating geopolitics. This is who you're competing against. It's player versus player. You're sitting there like a jackass, scrolling around a little bit, and going, oh, I hope I'll be rich one day. And there's people like me and my network out here, and here's who you're competing against. You're gonna get fucking wrecked. You're gonna get crushed. Either join the winning team or stay broke. There's no other way. Like, you find somebody who knows what they're doing, as you do. You've proved it. You have all the credentials to prove you know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing. And join their team or stay broke. You're gonna get fucking crushed. It's player versus player. You're not gonna do it on your own. The whole idea of like this lone wolf shit is also garbage. You need network, you need people, you need teams. You know this better than anyone.
Yeah, and it's like, you know, if you're playing chess, I know you love chess, your dad was a champion chess player, and you don't really know how to play, and you're against a champion chess player, every time you're gonna get spanked.
And that's the interesting thing about chess. That's what's so great, because the rules of the game are the same for both players. The constraints are the same, but the grandmaster will destroy you within the same constraints. He can't do any moves you can't do, but he will wreck you because he knows the game better.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Business
He knows the rules better. That's it. It's business is the
sales,
same.
marketing,
It's all the same.
finance, operations.
He knows it the same. And most people have no idea how to make money. So I had a guy come to me, and he was a guy, and he started dating some semi-famous girl with a big Instagram account. She was really pretty. She was out of Serbia. And he comes to me and says, bro, she's big in Serbia. I want to launch a makeup brand. Okay, fair enough. He goes, yeah, I want to launch a makeup brand, but I need money. I was like, how much you need? He goes, I need $250,000. What's your plan? You get $250,000 and do what? He goes, well, I'm gonna build the website. How much is that gonna cost? He goes, I can probably get that done cheap in Serbia, like $2,000. Okay, that's a good start. He goes, then I'm gonna buy all the stock. I was like, okay. And I'm gonna base it in Serbia in a warehouse so I can sell it out fast, same day delivery. I was like, okay, fine. Let's do something else instead. Instead of wasting all my money. How about this? Here's my advice to you, because otherwise I'm gonna want a big percentage of the business. That's the first thing. Second thing, there's a big chance my money gets wasted. Here's what we do. I'll give you $2,000, make the website. Take the pictures, get the product designs, put it online, launch it, put it all over her Instagram, launch it, start selling. After a few days, send everybody an automated email saying, sorry, we have a delay in shipping because it's a new brand and it's been so fantastic. We're gonna give you a free lip gloss. Delay everybody and keep them happy. Take in all the money, buy the stock with the money that comes in, with the new money. So you're never in debt to anybody. You're not in debt to me either. Buy the stock, fulfill. The margin on makeup is 80, 90, 100, 203% anyway. Give them a free gift so they shut up, or offer them a discount code for their next order. They'll be happy and buy more.
Yeah.
Start your company from nothing.
Right.
And be rich.
See, that's the opposite of what university teaches.
Complete opposite.
Complete opposite.
Well, what's funny is, he goes, okay, I'm gonna try that. He tried it, and he launched, and nobody bought. And I said, aren't you glad? Well, I'm glad. Thank God I'm glad, but imagine it was your own money. Aren't you glad you didn't waste $250,000? Right. Your dumbass nearly lost $250,000.
Yeah.
Now you realize that all her followers are fake. At least you found out cheap.
Yeah. See, I can't remember the term for that. They do teach that at Harvard University, which cost £500,000, by the way.
Wow.
To go to Harvard.
I literally did not know that. So there you go,
and here you are spitting facts.
There you go, everybody. This is another thing that's interesting. I think that there are so many businesses, especially in the modern digital world, which can be started effectively for free.
Yeah.
It's different if you have to get a shop premises. That's different. Fine, understood.
But you start with an online shop, right?
But there's so much stuff that can be done almost for free. People think they need money I need money. If I had money, I'd start a business. Tell me your business plan and let's find a way to do it for pennies. There must be a way. If people want it, you can sell it. You can do that part first.
Yeah.
And you can do that with nearly anything. But yeah,
here's a question for you then. So we've talked a little bit about how to invest money, and you've given a bit away, which is great. Slightly different views, but that's okay. Talk to me about not making money because you don't believe in making money.
No.
You believe in taking money.
Yep.
You're starting again from scratch. You're dumped in a random city. By the way, I don't know if you've seen, I do this regularly.
I saw on YouTube,
Yeah, of course you did, right? What do? Starting from scratch, you're in London, you got nothing, you got no contacts, you're not in your war room, and you need to make £10,000. And if me and you had a challenge, let me ask you a question. If we had to make £10,000 from scratch drops in London, we're in disguise, because you're pretty famous.
Yeah, I'm pretty famous.
Who's gonna make the 10 grand first?
That's a good question.
I'm saying me.
Yeah, well, you've done it a few times. I've never done it before. However, you'd have to start with selling something.
Yeah.
You'd have to start with becoming the middleman of something. And you have to start by taking a commission. That's the first thing you can do. Like the London dropped in the middle of zero and doing it physically, I'm not sure. I think no matter where I was dropped, I would turn to the internet, no matter what.
Okay.
I think that, because the internet's just a global marketplace, it's just so much better. I'd find somebody with star power, like you, for example. I'd come along, I'd drop you an email and say, listen, I want to put something together. I believe I can help you sell more. I am hoping if I show you I can sell more, you'll give me X amount of commission, X amount percent. I understand you have star power, you have something I don't have, you can talk through the camera, you can attract people, you can entertain people. What are you currently selling? You're selling this, okay. If I bring X amount of thousand people, will I be able to get this percent? That's what I would do. I think that if I didn't have the ability to sit on a camera and entertain, I would find somebody who does, and I would be the blood and guts beneath the show business.
Interesting.
And that's the easiest way to get rich in the world today.
So you'd find someone that's got an existing product or service.
Correct.
And then you would help them sell it and promote it.
Absolutely not. That's the easiest way to get rich today, especially because commission only, nobody's afraid of saying yes to.